Slayers, and you guys are tuned into The Work That Slay. And today we're going to talk about scams in the industry. So you guys like, subscribe, and also comment on things you guys would like to hear about. And if you want to know any in-depth questions and want to elevate your career, you can click the link at the bottom of this video. It's going to have a direct link where you guys can ask me tips or any questions when it comes to the industry. Are you guys ready to begin? Let's go. So today, the reason why I'm actually covering this topic is because I had a model reach out to me in regards to scams. In regards to really scams on social media, but I want to talk about scams overall and what to look for when people reach out to you. Okay, so let's start with the first scam, which is social media scams. So I hear models talk about all the time how there's so many scams on social media and you shouldn't get opportunities, or you shouldn't agree to opportunities, or you shouldn't even comment on opportunities when it comes to modeling or the industry in general. But that is not true. I have literally booked some of my top gigs or some of my biggest clients through social media or through my social media presence. Now, I don't have 11K or 21K followers on my social media platform. A lot of these people buy followers, but I don't have that many followers on my platform. I just know how to work my platform. There are jobs that are posted on social medias that are legitimate jobs. I mean, legit. I have worked with brands like Colgate, Visa, Allstate, and Toyota, just to name a few of those brands that I have worked for through social media. So there is opportunities for you to get jobs through social media. What you need to look for. First of all, you need to ask the right questions, because there's a lot of people on social media trying to make money off of you. These brand ambassador opportunities. I mean, I get a lot of those on Instagram all the time. I'm pretty sure you guys do too. You guys get those DMs, or even sometimes they reach out to you through email stating that they want you to become a brand ambassador for those brands or their brand. A lot of times those are scams. Reason I say sometimes, a lot of the times, I'm going to say sometimes, because I have worked with brands that not only just pay me, but they offer me a code for me to get, for my viewers or my buyers to get 20-30% off. And that 20-30% comes to me. So that isn't a scam if they're working like that. Not only are they giving you free product, but they're offering you paid they offer paid to post on social media, as well as give you a code for their brand so your followers can purchase the brand. So those are not scams. Now, when you have those brands that reach out to you and say you have to pay for some type of shipping of their product, or you have to pay for a membership for their product, and they're seeing you a percentage off for the product when you use your name for the product and all of those type of things, like, I've gotten those. I've literally gotten personal emails for brands reaching out to me saying that I have to pay for their product, or I have to pay this or that, or shipping fee to even receive the product. Why should you have to pay for a product that they want you to post on your social media platform for your followers to purchase? That doesn't seem strange to you guys? Because I know it's strange to me when I got all these other brands that's paying me to be the face of their brand. Very strange. So be on the lookout for those. A lot of other social media scams are scams like people reaching out to models saying they're going to offer them this amount of money if you pay for this. Like, let me see, example. they'll reach out to your DM and say, well, if you pay to be a part of this brand, then in turn for being a part of this brand, we'll offer you this amount of money. Scam. Scam. You shouldn't have to pay at all, like I previously said. Okay. Number 2, another scam is casting call scams. If you have to pay to be a part of a casting for a show that is going to benefit someone else, it is a scam. It's a scam. You know why? Because they need, in order for a show to run, you need models. They need models in order for their show to be successful. Their show cannot run if they don't have models or designers. So if you are paying for a casting call to be a part of a show, it is a scam. You should not be paying to be casted for a show. Now, sometimes they say the casting fee goes towards a headshot. So if you don't have your comp card or a traditional headshot, then I would say, yeah, maybe you should be paying for that casting. But if you have all of your stuff together, you have your comp card, you have your headshot, and you walking into the casting, you should not be paying to audition for a show where they are going to be making money, especially if they're going to be making money and you're not making money. Or even if you are making money, like, you should not be paying for that casting because they chose you to be a part of that show. So scam if you're paying for a casting call. Scam, full off scam. Number 3. This is one of the, number 3 is one of the biggest scams in the whole wide world. And Tyra Banks actually tweeted about this being one of the biggest scams. Maybe in 2015, I think she tweeted about agencies being one of the biggest scams there is. The reason why agencies are one of the biggest scams there is because if they want you and they actually believe in you, you will not be paying to be a part of a modeling agency. No, you will not pay to be a part of a modeling agency because they know that they're going to make money off of you. If you're paying to be a part of the agency, that means they really don't believe in you as a talent. And that's the truth. Like, they want to make money off of you through your pockets and not make money off of you through your talents. Like, that's one of the biggest scams in the world. There's a lot of big agencies that are charging. I don't want to say any because a lot of this stuff I talk about, I've actually went through. So and I've said no to. So I'm trying to give you guys tips on these things, okay? But a lot of times agencies make models pay thousands of dollars to be a part of that agency, and they just sitting in a database. They're just sitting in the database on a contract, and they never book an opportunity. They're sitting in the database as an exclusive model, and they never get booked through the agency. That is a scam. If an agency truly believes in you and believes in your talent, you will be their talent for free. For free. You won't have to pay for all of the portfolio because they're going to hook you up with a portfolio. They're going to hook you up with the classes you need. They're going to hook you up with these different type of things so you can be not only knowledgeable in your craft, but so that you can have more tools to be able to be a great source of talent for their client. But if you are paying to be a part of an agency, that is a scam. As a model, you're going to make, if they believe in you, you're going to make money for them anyway. So you shouldn't have to pay to be a part of their agency, you guys. Like, these three things are the biggest scams they are out there. So models, please, please, please look out for these things. And if you guys want a consultation or you guys want to ask me any questions about these type of things or scams or just anything to elevate and better your career, I will have my link below this video where you guys can click the link and be able to get my services on whatever questions that you have to ask, okay? And as I always say, do something that you never thought that you would do. Maybe protect yourself from a scam. You guys are tuned into the Workday Slay, and you guys have a nice day. Bye-bye.